I'll get back. It's Sharpie.
Yo, why is that?
Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. I know what you guys are thinking. What the hell are we doing in your car, Jenny? We're actually gonna go back to school shopping. I know.
Jenny, you don't even go to school.
So why the heck are you going back to school shopping? They have really cute stuff, like stationery stuff that I feel like I can put in my room or like my office. You don't have to be a student to go shopping for back to school, right? Well, anyways, I'm actually meeting up with Austin. You guys probably seen him in a few of my previous videos. We're just gonna check out Target, the Dollar Tree, and a few other stores. Drive safely, guys. Gotta drive safely. As much as I want to talk to you guys, gotta be safe too.
So hot today.
Say hi.
Hi. I thought you were taking a picture.
Hi guys, we are shopping. Safety first.
Keep 6 feet away.
Oh, that's true. 6 feet. We're going to the back to school aisle. I really like these pens, but I don't use all these colors, but would it be nice to have? Look at all these, guys. Buy one, get 25% off.
Buy like 10.
I like 10. Huh. I don't know what kind of pens I like. I mean, look at all these pretty pens. Is that the same thing? This is the same thing as that, right?
They
But
have more
just different.
colors and-
This is just prettier?
Up to you. You decide which one you prefer.
That is not my aesthetic.
You can show it off to your colleague and be like, hey guys, look at this pen I have.
Oh my god, look. Look at all these pens.
Look
How
at
come
this.
how come we didn't
Look
have
at this.
Whoa, calm down now.
It's a rabbit pen.
Oh my god. How come we didn't have these cute pens back when I was in school?
Right.
Austin made a mess over there. He left it over there, guys.
Not just me though. She was one of
No,
them.
you dropped it and you left it over there. But yeah, he convinced me to get this, so we're gonna grab that. What did you say about it?
It's smooth.
No, you didn't.
I forgot.
Highly recommended.
I highly recommend it.
Really loving this, guys. The content is amazing. Can you guys even hear me through this mask?
Glitter glue.
Glitter glue. Not gonna be using any glitter glue. Jimmy always needs Sharpies. So, cosmic colors. Oh, why?
Because it's cosmic color.
Green.
So you can
space.
draw like a universe and a cosmic space with this pen.
No.
Oh.
What is this? Eraser clean?
This is
It's a highlighter, but you can erase it.
yeah.
Wow. Loving it. Okay, let's get it. Because it's pretty.
So far we have 2 on the card. Only 2. After we spend like 10 minutes.
Oh, I need to tie my shirt.
Oh.
Should I get the 25 pack?
Ooh.
New colors. Look at all that. Like shorts.
Well, I think you should get it.
What am I gonna do with 25?
I don't know.
What the heck?
You can draw something.
As much as I want to get this, because it has so many different colors, I don't think I'm gonna need.
Aren't these 2 the same color? Oh no.
No, they are not the same color. Is this boring? No, it's metallic.
Ooh.
Ooh, fancy.
So many choices, guys.
Alright, so which Sharpie you want to get?
Oh, this one. It's the thickest Sharpie. You can use this for DIY.
I don't need that big one.
So you don't need.
I have a lot of these. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Should I get this one or that big one? Can I get this? Okay, let's go. The paint that I had was not nice. So I really like white. And of course they don't have any white.
Right here.
Multi-surface. I've never even used this brand. This color is really nice.
Ooh.
Ooh, shimmer. Not back to school supplies, but DIY stuff. Should I buy another hot glue gun?
Sure.
$11.79 though?
High and low.
Oh, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. See, this is like a thing now.
They have a small one.
Is it wireless? That's the same one that we just grabbed.
Guys, this looks like the one the dentists use to scrape your teeth.
That's hella big. How big is your teeth? Oh my god, look how pretty this is.
Another pastel.
I really like pastels. how many planners I've bought, but I've never used. I bought like 5 before, and I use it for like the first month, and then I forget about it. But $10 a planner is not bad, right?
Yep.
Is that cheap?
Well, for a notebook, for a planner.
Yeah, doesn't this match my office? Oh, I don't like this though.
You know.
Wait, does the blue one have that too? This one's cuter.
Yeah, that one's more flowery. Should I get one too for myself?
Do you like that color?
I don't know.
I don't know how I feel about it. What is it? Notebook? Interesting.
So you can like write on it while you're standing. Sketch sometimes.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
So do you prefer sunrises or sunset? I prefer sunset because I'm not a morning person.
This is what we got so far, guys. Look how cool this looks. Wow. $9 though. 9 freaking bucks for that? I don't know about that. Adventure begins. Look, that's really cool. Take it when you go traveling and stuff. When can we travel again? These are the stationaries that I want to look at. I actually bought a pink stapler because it was pink. It was worth it because it was so pretty. Oh,
Calendar.
Calendar?
It's not a calendar.
It's a calendar. Do we need this?
Oh my god, this is cute.
Do we need it though?
And then for what?
I don't know, but it's really cute, isn't it? I feel like I don't have... I actually need some Post-its. So let's find a cute Post-it stack. This one or this one?
This one. This one has purple.
Wait, why wouldn't we get this one and it comes with a bonus pad for the same price? Oh, come on now.
The height is somewhere, so you won't spoil it.
You need some Post-it that lay flat forever. Well, not forever, but longer because it's fully sticky and not just the top. What are you doing? Do you have baby fever?
It looks cute.
$3 for that? You're lying.
It's just right there.
That Post-it thing down there cost me $5. How is that?
You get this one then.
What? No. It says ribbon yarn. It's a scam.
That kind of
guys.
scam people's money away.
The shade. There's a lot of them too. Look. There's a lot. It's not like it's just one. They just need to change this out.
This is $20, but if you make one yourself, how much you spend?
I think I spent $1 on the bucket and then the rope and everything. Probably like $7.
So DIY yourself. Way cheaper.
Thanks for the promo.
You should put yourself.
That's a nice trim.
No, I think I'm gonna get this one.
You can make this. Or like something similar to this. This is $12, dude.
Not worth it.
Yeah. Not worth it. Putting that back. Seriously?
I can
Oh
smell
my
it.
god. Ooh.
It's fake.
No shit. Look, it's for you. It has a cat. Don't you like cats because you like Tay-Tay?
It's pink.
I like the box,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't like this.
The black one looks nice.
What is this? Oh, snap, look at this.
A moving
Oh, I cracked my nail.
couch.
Look at it. The content. I don't need any folders, but they are pretty cute. Ooh, should I get a small instead of the big one?
Are they the same?
This is the same color, the same style. This would be nice because I can bring this everywhere because it's small.
Mm-hmm.
Is that dirty? Or...
Yeah, ew,
okay.
no.
All you need
It's
is
love.
love. Horny. This one's so much prettier. But this one makes sense.
The sound is so annoying.
I know. We're done with Target. Now we're gonna go to Ross and Marshall's. Because I think they would have some nice back to school supplies. Okay, it's too hot. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's too hot. orange. Bright orange.
It's very ugly actually.
It's ugly?
Yeah. So cute. So cute. I really, really, really like this one. It lights up. But I don't want to waste money. But if I had a dorm, I would totally get it. Look at it. How much was it? $8 for that. This is $8 too. And look how cute it is. Avocado. I mean, like, I don't need to have a dorm to get it, but I like this. Actually, should I get this one or should I keep the one that I just bought? I think you should. This just looks cool, right? Yeah. Or let's just. We'll see.
What happens if you pay a bill for eyelashes?
What happens if I pay a bill for eyelashes? I don't know what.
Billy eyelashes.
Oh my god. Powered by avocado. It's just a notebook. Ooh, but look at this. It's that shiny end thing again. It's cool. Do I need it? It works with the notebook.
It's a pair, you should get it.
But do I need it? Oh my god, guys. Check out your local Marshalls. They have so much stuff. This is why I don't go shopping. Hi guys. I have no self-control. I spent way more than I should have. Alright guys, so we are back from shopping. Let me tell you, when the Bay Area is going through a heat wave right now, it's definitely going through a heat wave. It's like 102 today. Like, woo! Let's start the haul off with my frenemy. It's Target. You go in thinking that you're not gonna buy that much stuff, and then you end up going out with like tons of stuff. I spent a good amount at Target. They had so many cute things like you guys saw on the video with me and Austin. I tried my best to have some self-control and it kind of worked, but then it kind of didn't. So I got this planner at Target. Really, really pretty. It's small and compact and I feel like I can fit this in my bag, and if I need to like write something down, it's accessible because it's nice and small. It has stickers that say to do, important, meeting, top priority, designs on there too. This is adorable, and this was $9.99. It's like a weekly planner, so that's what I really like about it. The only thing is I don't have the nice handwriting, like write very straight. Well, I try. There's no lines in it, so I'm praying that this will look nice and organized when I write in it. I bought so many planners already and I haven't used them past like 2-3 months. I think the longest was like 4 months. Keep me accountable. I need to use my planners. And I did end up getting this pack of Sharpies. This is the combo pack. It has 18 count. It has the fine and ultra fine permanent markers on here. At first I was just like, when am I gonna use this? But then like if I craft or like if I write in my planner, now I have something to write in it with. I also got these pens that Austin recommended because he said they work really smoothly and he highly recommends them. So yay for more pens. I'm always looking for pens, whether you're in school or not. And then I got my Post-it. I don't know why I keep losing my Post-it. Maybe I just need to get more organized. This is the one with the bonus pad. There's one the same exact price, but it only had 4 instead of 5. Look out for that because you may have found like a pack with an extra one for the same amount of price. These highlighters, super, super cute. Look at them. They're like pastel. It's just my aesthetic. I didn't need this, but then now I need this. Like, I really wish I found something like this when I was in school because like I would highlight my textbooks and then having like the ability to erase them would be amazing. Now that I think about it, why didn't I look for it in the past? Did they sell this in the past? Am I that old? I'm not that old. I also got these little acrylic paint. They're really, really pretty. Like, if you guys seen them, I got metallic light copper. I don't have this color, so it's gonna be really fun to try to play with this color. I got a shimmer aqua. This one's a really pretty like sea green. And then I got a satin white. I feel like I can never like not use a white in some of my DIYs. I'm excited to use these little paints. Really pretty and they go together so freaking well. If you guys haven't shopped back to school at Marshall's, do so. I went a little crazy. I bought other stuff. This is what you guys saw at Marshall's. Look at this planner. Look at this planner. Look how pretty it is. The texture of like that marbly look to it. I think it's really pretty, and it's from July 2020 to December 2021. This is the same price as my other planner that I bought at Target. It's definitely a lot thicker though. It does have stickers in it too. They're bigger stickers. Do the same thing like reminders. Don't forget some cute little arrows that are totally my aesthetic. Best day ever. I'm gonna put that on my wedding day whenever it happens. I love that they have like little quotes. So this one is for July, and it says, whatever the mind of the man can conceive and believe it can achieve. I think it's really cute that they have these little quotes. That one was $9.99, so is this one, but I feel like this one is definitely worth your buck. It's thicker, there's 18 months. Sorry Target, I gotta return that planner. So I got these brow razors to clean up your brows or your facial hairs. Like look, they're so pretty, and this was only $4. And then I got myself some Ultra Repair Barrier cream, was $14.99. All right, last but not least, you guys should know this by now, the Dollar Tree. Definitely don't sit on your Dollar Tree, guys. If you guys want to find some stuff that are pretty good and pretty cute too, and you can definitely make it cute as well. So there's a little hint for an upcoming video. But anyways, so I got these little clipboards at the Dollar Tree, and of course they're only $1 each. I found some at Target for like $10, and it just had some design on it. Go to your local dollar store and just get yourself a clipboard for like $1 and then design it for yourself. They definitely have some cute stuff. This brand, I've noticed recently that it's getting bigger and bigger at the Dollar Tree. It's called the Crafters Square. They have so many different things that you can get. Some of these beads that I used in my last DIY. These stencils. Cool stickers. Like, look how cool that looks. I got this really cute notepad. Look at the colors on it. Really, really pretty, and it comes with a little pen as well. So when I say don't sit on the Dollar Tree, guys, don't sit on it. Check it out. You'll definitely find some pretty cute stuff there for $1. So that's all for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Like, I'm done with school and everything, but I really love like back to school shopping. Like I said, I was trying to control myself and not spend so much, but your girl spent a good amount of money today. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button down below and hit that subscribe button down there as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!